Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? SH plus hip plus SH plus ape. Hip, ape, ship shape. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Cymraeg.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our program. The gentleman on my left has not lost a game yet. He's from Florida. He's a writer. He has won $7,968 in prizes, including 2 great vacations. Stuart Chapin, welcome back.
Thank you.
Tell me and tell the folks at home about the kinds of things you write about.
Adventure.
Are we talking about a James Bond type character who would be the hero of your novels, or somebody like that? What?
No, just grizzly people that go out and have a good time.
I like that. Debbie is back with us. This is Debbie Wilson, ladies and gentlemen. She was on yesterday's program. I got so confused at the end of yesterday's program, I said we're going to wrap up the week today. We are not wrapping up the week today. We'll do that tomorrow. But right now, we are about to get into game 1, in which we have, Debbie, this as one of our prizes. Goody.
The Pride of Los Angeles Harbor Cruise will take you out to sea for lunch, brunch, or a moonlit dinner. A true dining experience complete with live music and dancing, furnished by Pride of Los Angeles. Alex.
Marjorie's associating with a better class of guy, I see. Stuart and Debbie, take a look on our board, and we'll show you where this party package can be found. Hiding behind door number 7. Party for you and 25 of your friends. We also have a holiday in Mexico City. And Debbie, you get to pick first. This is an important game for you because of that one strike against you. You've got to win this.
Okay, let's open up the board. And number 19, please.
VCR.
I can use a VCR. Let's try to match that behind number 2.
Print and display calculator. No match. Stuart.
Let's see what's behind center of the board, number 13, please.
Diamond heart pendant.
And find a match or a wild card behind number 9, please.
Dishwasher. No match. Debbie.
Okay, let's look under number 16, please.
Print display calculator.
And number 2 for the match.
That's the match, yes. 1 match for you, 1 prize in your column, and a look at the puzzle.
No.
Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 15.
Mexico City Escape.
Oh. And let's look for the match to that, or a wild card under number 23, please.
Wild card. We'll give you a shot at the Mexico holiday. The other one, top right-hand corner, number 5. 3 doors opening for Debbie Wilson. Go again.
Number 9.
Dishwasher.
Is that under number 17?
Yes.
Oh.
Prize for the lady. 3 in a row. Open it up. Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 1.
Cookware.
Okay, let's try to match that cookware under number 14, please.
Red take. So we go to Stuart.
Let's see what's under number 24, please.
Diamond heart pendant.
Oh, did we see that under number 13?
Yes. Good move, Stuart. Swing it open. Go again.
20, please.
Deluxe vacuum cleaner.
Number 11.
Wild card means it will be a match.
All right.
The other deluxe vacuum cleaner is right next to it at number 12. And 3 panels are swinging open for you.
Eight, please.
No car alarm system.
And number 25 for the match.
25 is the car alarm system. Boy, you're good at making those natural matches. We discovered that in the very first game in which you played.
Yeah.
2 more doors opening up for Stuart. Go again.
4, please.
There's the wild card, so good things only.
Let's see what's behind number 7.
Party for 25 of your friends.
I seem to remember that.
And it will probably include you as well. We saw it at 18 a little while ago. Middle part of the puzzle is going to look pretty clear right now, I would think, Stuart. Pick again.
22, please.
Cookware.
And the match behind number 1.
Cookware. Yes. Poor Debbie's not getting many opportunities to play in this game, but that's all right. Stuart, take a look. Go again.
Number 19, please.
VCR.
And the match behind number 14, please.
Red tape. Debbie, let's see if it's a lot easier for you now. You know where 2 things are.
Okay, yeah, let's look under number 10, please.
Green tape.
Oh, jeez. And let's try and match that green tape under number 6.
Is it there? You had a 1 in 3 shot there. Stuart.
Number 14, please.
Red tape.
Match with number 6.
Number 6. Yes. You can pretty well clear the board now and pick up everything we have up there. She's got the Mexico City holiday, the dishwasher, and the printing calculator.
We have Acapulco. We need Mexico. No, I can take that back. We need the dishwasher. We do. We do. Acapulco and the Bahamas.
Leave him alone. He may think it over again because he's probably going to want to clear the board and pick up that other prize and the other tape, the green one. We'll open these 2 panels for him, let him study the puzzle a little bit longer.
Yeah, let's try that. Number 21, please.
There's the green tape.
Number 10 for the match.
Number 10 is right. So you get the green tape. You've got a choice of the printing calculator or the Mexico City holiday. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure out which one to grab.
Oh, Mexico.
Thank you.
I'm trying to figure out the puzzle, that's all.
All right. We're going to open these 2 doors for you, Stuart. We'll help you. And we'll show you 3 and 19. That's the VCR. Now, when we open these doors, for every prize but the printing calculator, solve this puzzle.
He's got the whole world in his hands.
He's got the whole world in his hands, and Stuart has got the whole world in his hands. Heartbreaker, Debbie, but come on, Stuart.
That's all right. Good night.
He's caught the hole. This confused me because I thought it was a sock.
It is a sock, but it's a sock with a hole in it.
There you go. World in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands.
Congratulations. Good solution. You played the game beautifully. You accumulated a lot of prizes. And poor Debbie, you've lost your 2nd game, and that means a 2nd X, and so we have to say goodbye. We've got some gifts for you backstage. Sorry.
Thank you.
Take care, Debbie. So long. All right, Stuart. When you wind up in the winner's circle this time, you're going to have 45 seconds. But right now, it's going to take about 45 seconds for Gene to run down this whole list of prizes for you.
Cookware, a diamond heart pendant, and a deluxe vacuum cleaner. The VitaVac is designed to remove pollen, ragweed, dust, and other allergens from your home while you vacuum. You'll love the way it cleans the air while it cleans your home. And a dishwasher, a Whirlpool, power clean, energy saver, portable, convertible, or undercounted dishwasher. With power clean washing system and exclusive in-the-door silverware basket furnished by Whirlpool. And a VCR, Magnavox barcode remote control VCR with on-screen display is smart, very smart. Easily programs up to 4 events with the barcode scanner furnished by Magnavox. And a car alarm system. Ains auto alarm system with built-in motion detector and ignition cutoff makes headlights flash when alarm sounds, furnished by Ains Electronics. And a Mexico City escape. We'll fly you and the guests from Los Angeles to Mexico City, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Crystal Rosa, located in the heart of the Zona Rosa in Mexico City. Outstanding dining and luxury accommodations furnished by the Crystal Rosa. And, of course, the exciting Party for 25 Friends. Yeah. And, Stuart, you've won enough money to buy all the socks you'll ever need. This prize package totals $5,768.
didn't realize you had won so many prizes. It took Gene a minute and a half to describe all of your winnings. You're up to 13,000 plus, and you could win a brand new car right after these messages. We'll be back. All right, Stuart. Here they are, 15 numbered squares, and as promised, 45 seconds on the clock. You're getting closer and closer. You're really eager to do this, so good luck. Off you go.
4, 6,
Yes.
7, 9,
No.
10, 12,
No.
8, 11,
No.
7, 11,
Right.
13, 14,
No.
15, 1,
No.
2, 3,
No.
5, 1,
Yes.
8, 13,
No.
14, 8,
No.
9, 13,
Yep.
10, 12,
No.
3, 10,
Right.
2, 14,
No.
8, 3, skipping.
Getting closer. Getting closer.
This is nothing to play around with.
No, meanwhile, you're enjoying yourself, and you won $13,736, including a holiday in the Bahamas, another vacation in Acapulco, and a third one in Mexico City. You're going to have some fun in the sun. We'll be back after this. The pretty lady on my right, who is expecting a child soon, I think, is Stacy Courtois.
Hi.
Hiya, Stacy. What do we got here? Our first?
Second in
Your
2 years.
second in 2 years? How many weeks before you deliver this one?
7 weeks.
7 weeks. Are you eager for it to be over?
Very eager.
Yeah?
Very.
Okay. What have you got now?
A little girl.
And do you know what this is?
No, that's the best part.
Yeah.
Finding out.
You're right. The surprise.
Right.
Just so long as it's healthy.
Exactly.
Ready to play and win some prizes?
I'm ready.
We may have some stuff for kids. Speaking of which, here it is.
You may zip along up to 15 miles an hour in this mini Corvette convertible, featuring a high-gloss body, 3-horsepower gasoline engine in a go-kart chassis. Furnished by Action Industries. Alex.
Marjorie, get Pokey out of the car. Pokey does not have a license. Pokey is sharp, Pokey is bright, Pokey is cute, but Pokey doesn't have a license. Let's show Stuart and Stacy, the two S's, where we can find the Mini Corvette at number 25. Stacy, you get to pick first. I'll tell you what, we have $600 in our cash pot in this game, and we have a vacation with a name like Courtois. I hope you speak French, because we have a holiday in Paris.
Oh my gosh. I'll learn it.
You'll learn it?
I'll learn it.
Courtois is a French name.
Yes, very.
Your husband's French. Where's he
Very.
from?
French Canadian.
French Canadian?
Yeah.
Okay. Good luck. Pick.
All right. Number 9, please.
Number 9. Limited edition artwork.
And match or wild card under number 12.
Mini Corvette. No match. Stuart.
Number 25, please.
Mini Corvette.
And the match at number 12.
That's right. Fast match for you. Thanks to Stacy's initial selection. 2 doors opening up. Let's see what happens now. Obviously not too much.
Number 17, please.
Wild card.
That's good. And number 23, please.
Wild card. That's $500 in cash. If you find the third wild card, it'll be an additional $500.
It would be a miracle. Yeah, wait, we see what's under number 7, please.
Paris. How about putting together some good stuff? The other Paris at 24. 4 doors opening up for Stuart. He's got a bundle in prizes up on his prize column already. Keep going.
Number 9, please.
Limited edition artwork.
14.
No, that's a green take. Stacy.
Oh, I need that take. Let's see, that takes under number 5.
No, we have
No.
assorted parlor games.
How about right next door at number 4?
Cash pot, no match. Stuart.
Number 15, please.
Wild card.
Number 8, please.
Interesting. Refrigerator freezer there. I thought you might have gone for the cash spot. The other refrigerator freezer is 21. You want to see the board. You want to open up certain parts of it. Good thinking. Yes. Let's see what happens now. Select again.
20, please.
Telephone and answering machine unit
And number 18, please.
is in her beauty products. Stacy, over to you.
Going to give me a chance here. Number 6.
Red take.
It's a green take. How about number 16?
Cash pot, no match. Stewart.
Number 5, please.
No, that's the assorted parlor games.
And the match under number 2.
No, his and her beauty products. 2 possible matches for Stacy right now.
Yes. Number 4
Cash pot.
and number 16.
That's one of them. That's $600 for you, Stacy. Take a look at the puzzle as we reveal a little bit more of it. Go again.
And number 20.
Telephone answering machine.
And number 22.
Limited edition artwork. No, Stewart.
Number 9, please.
9 for the artwork.
And number 22 for the match.
22 for the match is right. A little bit more of the puzzle. Go again.
Number 19, please.
Telephone answering machine.
And do we see the match under number 20, please?
Yes. Another prize for Stewart. Boy, he's cleaning up with us this week. Select. Whoa, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. You're free to ring in when you think you can solve, but try not to ring in too soon, because if you're wrong, your opponent sees everything. As soon as you see the green light, you can go, and the green light will go on when we reveal number 1, then 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 11, 13, 14, 18. Stacy's in first.
It's not as bad as that?
Is it? It's not as bad as that. No, it is not. Stewart, can you solve the puzzle?
It's...
Oh, sorry. Hands on your signaling buttons. Once again, you're free to ring in anytime the green light goes on and I start explaining. Hits, that's obvious. This time, Stewart's in first.
It's not as bad as all that.
It's not as bad as all that. Oh, boy, Stacy, he beat you by just... Let's go to the board.
You all missed it all. Hit, hit, hit. It's not in the wood. An ass, the ads, bad. Another ass, all, which we missed, sing, the hat. It's not as bad as all that.
In fact, it is terrific.
It is terrific.
Stacy, 1 loss for you, 1 X in front of you. You'll play again,
All
but
right.
not right now. Stewart, come here. Let's hear about your prizes. You've won another vacation, by the way. You're gonna love this one. Gene.
A phone answering machine and limited edition artwork. Martin Lawrence Gallery's beautiful limited edition serograph cactus by Lorna Patrick. It's numbered and hand signed by the artist, furnished by Martin Lawrence Galleries, and a refrigerator freezer. Gibson side-by-side refrigerator freezer featuring through-the-door ice and chilled water dispensers, automatic ice maker, 24 cubic foot capacity, and exclusive frost clear system furnished by Gibson. And Paris! We'll fly you a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Paris. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the ultra-modern Pullman Hotel Saint-Jacques on the exciting left bank in Paris. Enjoy gourmet food and famous French hospitality furnished by the Pullman Hotel Saint-Jacques. And $500 in cash.
Okay.
And, of course, the sporty Mini Corvette.
Oh,
now,
yeah.
Stuart, what I'm about to tell you isn't all too bad either, because these prizes are worth $10,094.
Stewart and I have decided that he should win the car. We'll see if it works out that way in 1 minute from now. All right, Stewart, no need for any preamble. 15 numbered squares, 50 seconds. Those are the important numbers. Good luck, off you go.
4, 6,
No,
5, 6,
no,
4, 8,
no,
1, 2,
no,
3, 7,
no,
10, 11,
nope,
1, 12,
nope,
13, 14,
No.
15. 4.
Yep.
5. 2.
No.
1. 6.
No.
8. 9.
No.
11. 2.
No.
1. 10.
No.
3. 11.
Nope.
8. 6.
No.
2.
Stuart wants to stay with us a little longer, I think, and win some more prizes. He's got $23,830, which is good going. I think you put a little too much pressure on yourself. But you may get another shot at it. We'll take a break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Nishika's revolutionary new 35mm three-dimensional camera. Uses standard color film, requires no focusing or special viewers, and takes pictures that come to life. Furnished by Nishika Corporation. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
All of us, including Pokey, will be back tomorrow. Join us then.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.